Hello, my name is Perregaux and I graduated this summer at EPFL.
Hello, my name is Meryl Barthe and I graduated this summer at EPFL. Under the supervision of Amy Perkins and Sarah Nichols, we developed the project Disassemble, a monument to progressive deconstruction. In light of the energy transition, the Chavalon power plant is a ruin that bears witness to the decentralization of power production in Switzerland, and a case study of 10 infrastructures from the 20th century that will be obsolete over the next decades. Built in 1965, closed down in 1999, it was then purchased speculatively in 2017 at a guaranteed price of deconstruction by the Orlati Group. Since then, the site has come to a standstill due to the municipality's opposition to developer projects despite its limited means to take care of the site.
Disassemble investigates the old power plant as what is commonly referred to as a negative common, a negative resource our generation will inherit. The project priority is to offer a vision highlighting our shared responsibility for the site by proposing its progressive dismantling, reuse, and care. Being about process and interactions, an itinerary for its end of life, it's organized with a gradual return to nature, as promised in 1965. The sites open to the public, sanitation and deconstruction begin, and the main vacant building is transformed in a reuse center, processing and storing the material on site. In this operation, the specific moment of the boiler's dismantling leaves the facade of the reuse center open and makes room for an architectural gesture. A temporary facade is reused standstill that becomes the mediator between the worksite, the public, and different educational programs. A monument to the construction and visual indicator of the unmaking, remaking, and maintenance of the growing park.